All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Kershaw Fraxion here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. If you're enjoying this kind of content right over here, would you look at this? That's a little tiny knife. This guy comes, of course, with some paper leaflet and of course plastic bag, and it's a very interesting one. Tiny, it's cheap, it's light, it's kind of cute. I mean, it's designed by Anso. It's a Fraxion from Kershaw, and it's an interesting knife. Like and I would say not too big, because the overall length is going to be 6.75 inches with a 2.8 inch long blade. It's a liner lock, and it has a G10 with overlaid cheap carbon fiber, as you can see. Maybe. So it's interesting. It's really light. There is basically one liner, which is on the on the lock side. Show side is just G10 and this overlay. You've got a very simple constructions, two end handle screws right over here, one pivot, which is keyed in. You have a not deep carry pocket clip. Yeah, this much is going to be sticking out. Little, you know, some chamfering going on. Not much, zero chamfering going on the inside. You've got a couple of standoffs. And I mean, this is HCR 13. Sorry, MOV steel, designed by Anso from Denmark. So really good knife designer. Some jimping going on, a little bit of swedge, hollow grind, satin blade finish. The thinness behind the edge, you see, it's not ideal, but I mean, this is a budget knife made in China. It's gonna be like $30, if any. I mean, yeah, it's an inexpensive one, so we need to show some forgiveness if it's not perfect, because yeah, it's a budget one, and we need to underline the qualities of this one. For example, the weight, because the weight on this guy is going to be really light. It's not a big one, but it's going to be weighing in at 1.98 ounces, so it's a win for sure. It's going to be a summer pocket knife. I see the blade, yeah, a little bit maybe off center, just a tiny bit favoring this side, but I mean, the grip is okay. There's a little bit of hot spot right over there if you squeeze, and it's not like super comfortable. The action is decent. It's not that bad. I mean, this guy's running on bearings, and it could be smoother, but you know, let's not complain about this one. The sound also, it's not that bad. I mean, it's an okay knife. So if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.